Earlier start. And this one for you.
Ah, yes.
This one for me. Yeah. And if you long press it, it can switch to like a noise reduce or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's practical.
Mm-hmm.
How long is the battery?
I think if you just wear it, don't listen to any music, it's quite long. But for listening, probably 5 hours or 6 hours. Mm. Yeah, but it looks really ugly. This is the pity thing. The design is really ugly.
Form follows function, I would say. More important, the functionality.
Yes.
We want to win the beauty contest.
Mm. Yeah, because wearing it, looks like some not stupid, like some business people.
Ah.
Okay. Done. I think I didn't do it wrong. Yeah.
Looks solid.
Yeah. This is like ground and input.
This is input and output.
Yeah, same as your schematic. Put it here. Ah, okay. So, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Where's camera?
Ah,
Hi.
now. Again, a little bit late. We just forgot about the time because duplicating this free amplifiers, doing more of the piezo, and now really with shielded cable, just
that's good.
to the tip. And just trying to encase it in a
nice.
In a metal box, so that's probably the best noise cancel thing you can get.
I mean, there's not so much else you can really. Yeah.
So.
I mean, just make sure the box is on the same ground as everything. Otherwise, it would pick up even more. But
yeah, antenna. It would be an antenna. Yeah.
Yeah. So, What can I do?
Next trial. Wait. Xianchu sadly forgot, has no digital radio, because this was another thing we wanted to try out if we get a better.
I'm not so sure about the
probably.
digital, because the problem with the digital radio is that it will try and tune, like it will skip the bands which don't have the something recognizable.
Ah.
Yeah. Like I always use, I don't know, I'm not 100%, it depends on the radio, but in general, they tend to like scan, you know what I mean? Until it hits the signal and then scan for the next signal. So you can't really, I mean, it depends on radio, but I normally use like analog radio.
Yeah, so we try first again this, probably. And another thing I will show you, we did a bit to elaborate on the soundproofing. They are not in yet, the bugs, but here's the case.
Okay.
Just put some coating so the bugs cannot crawl out, so it's not so stressy to keep them in.
Okay.
What we don't have yet is the separation. It will be shortened, so not to touch the top, otherwise again they would crawl out. Then kind of these UV things which go here, but what also came to my mind with UV and then tracking is like if the barrier is totally transparent, then the light from here goes also to the other side. So the thing for attracting them from one point, from one chamber to the other.
But then it might be, I guess it might be warmer in one though, or where the lights are. Whoops, 1 second.
Stronger, yeah.
Yeah. But
yeah, and Hank is not here anymore, so the thing with the super sensible measure microphone, yesterday we did not get any good results because it's really ultra sensitive, and we tried kind of soundproofing, so we also got more material
looks good.
dampen it.
Oh.
But not quite finished yet because I want to do it with the big box. So we have this aquarium. This has glass is kind of mass to dampen the external sound.
And what is
quite finished to put it in at the moment. So this would be next sound source test. Also again with the ultrasonic.
And do you know what software Hank was using with the?
Which microphone?
No, which software with the microphone?
No, he did it in parallel and.
Okay, but he's not here.
No.
Oh. Okay.
So, yeah. Where we connect, where we what are we doing? Now together with Martin for testing.
Hey.
You hear? Yeah. You hear us all? All of you?
No.
No.
No. No. No.
What did we use yesterday?
can only hear Taro.
Yeah, because I have the headset, the part with the microphone, and we share the headset.
Okay. But only one half is microphone.
Yeah.
Or one of the pair.
One question.
Yeah.
Is, check. This is my connection to the mass. It should be enough, huh? Because the ground goes directly to. So I did not do an extra cable inside, but
No.
just try to measure if there is connection, but it should do. Yes.
Okay.
Good. So. What we could do is just fill some bugs in the aquarium and rice and test it with more, because now we just don't have just one, but lots of them.
And
to increase the signal.
Or
what?
Do you have any loudspeakers yet?
Only small computer loudspeakers, but no sound system.
But you know, for the performance or the test performance tomorrow, whether we yeah, I don't know.
I think we can borrow from Technoia, because they already have one.
Okay.
And Technoia presentation is not the same time as it's not tomorrow. It's on Saturday, I think.
Okay, but there's no way of getting them before, just to test, because the feedback is going to be such a.
I'm going to ask.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So you can hear me now.
I can hear something.
You hear both of us now? Wow.
I can hear the bugs.
The
crunching.
Bugs. Wow, that's spooky.
They're everywhere. They're, like, they're coming out of your ears, coming out of your nose. I can kind of hear.
Yeah, true.
Like a monitor speaker.
You're just very quiet.
Yeah.
But I can hear kind of a bit when you speak.
Maybe it was the clapping from the workshop next to us. Like.
Maybe.
Or you still can hear it? Because at the moment they are not connected, the bugs.
Okay. No, it's a similar kind of crunching sound, but 1 second.
Just finish the casing. Probably it was coming from Xav's side, because he's also online. One thing is you have adapter, because in this box I couldn't fit in the big jack. It's the mini jack.
So use that to.
Oh yes. Test if it's working.
This one's already.
Ah, okay, perfect.
Oh, nice. So I guess you can hear both of this. So Martin, good. Can you hear me? No.
I mean, very quiet, very low.
Very quiet. Okay.
And very echoey, like very like resonant.
Probably because I had the headphones on and echoing with the microphone in the headphone, big headphone over small headphone with the microphone. But yeah, this is working. So installing.
So you said you had like this big box. What is the big box?
The big box is an additional layer.
But what is what's the material? Like cardboard?
This is plexi. No, it's plexi.
Ah, oh, you mean the outside?
Yeah, it's not just a metal frame. It's also encased in.
Okay.
But this, yeah, it's plexi 5 millimeters, so it will not be so much of help to soundproofing, I guess.
But were you thinking putting the foam in between the?
Wait, there's some call for you. Okay, because this is the basic construction. Glass, then a frame, then a little bit of foam, but we will put much more. It's not high density.
Okay, but it's quite thick, quite dense.
Yeah, it's we can have a very big layer. Yeah. So, we got some monitors.
Okay.
Trying to grab some noise. So because also the separating mechanism is not a mechanism, it's just a sleeve tool.
Okay.
So we will just shorten it a bit so they can crawl from one side to the other side.
From the
Probably,
top.
yeah, from one compartment to the second compartment, and I think I will paint it or make it light proof, so the light comes just a little bit from top, from the other side to attract them. So, but this has nothing really to do with the sound. But we have for every compartment now a device like this. With piezos, and in one compartment we will fit in the highly sensitive microphone. I tried to. For tests, it also the table I think is also a problem. What would you say? Because also resonating. Better would be.
I mean, is there any other
more master better?
I mean, there's no way that the speakers can be on the same surface.
No, this definitely not.
No, but
so
is there any other way? Is that some smaller table or like another stand that the?
These are three tables, three separate tables. So we could install the bug box on one table and make a gap in between, and then the
And what?
here?
Yes, he's here, but I don't know where he left. He's here.
I'm here.
Also, Martin is here. Shenju brought it.
Huh?
Shenju brought it, yeah. Yeah, because yesterday this was the task, the soundproofing thing, not to grab too much background.
We have a kind of different structure underneath.
And that's the best at the moment we can get. And we also have to try it with the speakers, with monitors. And good thing is we can, for the positioning, we can speak up, we can decide later. But we need separate tables. We have it. Because our bug box is on one table, the speakers should not be on the same table, because otherwise. So,
where are we?
I'm filling in some bugs and installing. Just thinking, because once the bugs are in,
Yeah,
they are in. We cannot really remove them. But for the sliding door, how to do? I'll put something else meanwhile. Because today we did not just work on the sound grabbing thing, but also doing this details like air, humidity, electronics, the lamp. But
that's all ready.
Yeah,
Good.
pretty prepared. And one thing is some of the transformers and we put underneath the, so it's not obstructing the view too much. I don't know if she can hear you, actually.
No.
No? Because the microphone is just in my ear. Yeah.
So the transformers will go in the gap underneath the tank. Okay.
Just cables coming out. Tank is preparing a cover for just some cables coming out, so the flying bugs cannot escape. And against the crawling ones, we had this kind of Teflon layer.
Okay, 1 second.
Should we try your radio also again, this module?
I don't know, maybe we start with the piezos, and then we can also maybe test like the device I made with like this down converter from the ultrasonic. So like with amplifier and down converter and microphone, and then then we can move maybe to all the different radio transmitter. No?
Okay.
And then finish up with USB microphone. Huh. What else do we have?
We have to take what we have, but still we did not try your down converter and the other microphone. So this will be next. I will prepare.
But it's just good to get an idea of how the damping is working.
But this is without a radio. Huh? This is the output of.
Yeah.
So direct out. I have to go to get another mini jack cable because it's also mini jack. You have here? Otherwise, in the office space, I have one. Good.
So which device you have?
It's the one with the two. What?
Okay. Yeah. This is just straight like amplifier and with the microphones.
This is straight amplifier microphones, and the other device, this is this down converter, and also
this one needs mono mini jack though. One is stereo, one is mono.
This is the mono.
Yeah, this one is the stereo.
Yeah, and the other one is the stereo.
And 5 volt. Sorry.
No problem. But these are two microphones, so it's stereo. Huh?
Yeah. And 5 volt supply with center pin positive. Yeah.
Yeah. A sensor pin is positive, so I have to look at the, because this one is not what you sent. It's,
what was that?
this power supply is not what you sent, huh? Because there is on all of them kind of, no, it's written made in Taiwan.
Okay.
So plus is the pin, and here is.
Maybe it's worth checking with the multimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Just to see, just in case, otherwise. Okay.
Anyway, we try both, so we cannot use it at the same time because we don't have enough jack cables, but so
Okay.
try this first and then the other one.
Yeah.
And also one thing I have to do for short is coating the cables.
Coating with the...
Yeah, with this Teflon, a bit, just a segment, because otherwise they use it as escape.
True.
Good. This is the piezo to try first. The other cables has to dry still. speaker is set up. Yeah, so let's give it a try.
Yes. So yours is already on.
It's on. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Ah, wait, here. Yeah. Ah, it's working, but ah,
But what are we hearing now? Or,
feedback.
but from which device?
The Pietos.
Okay.
Trying to bury them a bit in the
Okay.
rice.
Yeah, some bugs are flying in on the PS.
Some, but not a lot.
I'm going to use AI to fix the yellow cable.
Ah, yes. Oh, yes. Okay.
No. And the piezo, it's like I think we need more bugs to let them really climbing on it. Yeah, because
this coating doesn't get really dry, so if you touch it, you remove it.
Or maybe we should just tape it and spray the coating on the tape. Mm. Yeah. So should we put more bugs? How do you think? Or good enough for now? Because I don't think it's enough for them to really react. For instance, here is few bugs on the piezo, but the signal is really it's not the effect as your plastic bugs. Yeah.
Probably also because the plastic box works like
resonation box. Yeah. Hello. Huh?
Are they talking?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Will they fly away?
No, this one not. The other one, yes.
So they don't have like wings?
No, they do. They do not have wings. Yeah.
the flying ones.
This one, those are flying.
Flying.
Oh, this is like a without bugs.
Yeah, it seems so because these are the flying ones and they are not really visible.
This one.
There's one, yeah. And
Flying.
and flying.
So there's this one. I saw a few of them. Okay.
So we take one of these.
Yeah, this one. A lot inside. Oh, this is a lot.
How many bugs you have?
Well,
They are not really visible. The crawling ones. Just put another container in.
Yeah, something. Mm.
Ground hum didn't really diminish with this encasing.
Yeah. Mm. I guess also the classic box is yeah, it's not so good for sound. Mm.
Martin?
Yeah. Tell me what's happening.
Yeah, we build more bugs. We have the signal.
I can't hear you, Taro.
No?
Really?
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Or very low. You're very low.
No? It's better?
Yeah, it's better.
I take and then you replace it again.
You hear me?
Yeah. No, it's good.
Yeah, good.
So now?
Our thought is these plastic boxes also work like a resonator.
Yeah.
So we have a signal.
Yeah.
But it seems for me in the glass casing, it's not as strong anymore than in these plastic boxes, this crunchy sound.
Okay. And how high can you go in volume before you start getting feedback through the piezo?
Now it's like yeah, like the master volume is like 0 dB or -5, and the channel one we just put it on the maximum.
Full, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and we
And the other, Taro? Or the other thing you can try.
If you're directly in front of the box, you can hear it, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the other thing would be to try and make like a flat plastic surface to attach the piezo to. So this becomes like the resonator.
Ah, yes.
Or, I mean, it doesn't need to be plastic, can be anything, metal or
anything, yeah.
anything which is
just
kind
a
of
sheet.
not too flexible, not too rigid. And you can try different, because then it also works like you have a larger area which is like coupling with the bugs.
Yeah.
So you could just like glue or hot glue or.
For the moment, for testing, I will do just tape it.
Yeah, no, tape is fine as well, obviously. Yeah, like this lid is perfect, no? Also.
I think so.
Yeah.
Or that's the first trial, and then we can try something else also. But so some tape. Double side, yeah. Why not? Take just this isolating tape. This also like this. Another one? Yeah. Oh.
It's bent.
Oh, there's no hole.
Really? Shit.
It looks like a hole, but
Yeah, it's not goes through. No, I don't think so. I guess we have to. Smart. Yeah.
with the speakers, the hum is even more perceivable.
Really?
Yeah. The headphones, the crackling is much clearer.
And it could just be a different. And on the mixer, can you like EQ?
Yeah.
Just to maybe get rid of, because the headphones maybe just have like a brighter kind of response.
Mm.
But this one is only 3 bands.
So just cut the low band.
Yeah, I can hear it kind of buzzing.
Buzzing and crackling, yeah?
Yeah, but the buzzing seems higher than the...
Yeah, because we just cut the low frequencies.
Right. So it's just like a res... how to say? Like overtone.
Yeah.
Okay. Thing for me is it's really hard to hear. Like I can't... So it's hard to kind of judge something which I can't actually... You know what I mean? But there's no feedback though.
There's no feedback.
Which is something.
The hum is quite prominent, but and if we don't cut the low frequencies, it sounds a little bit more pleasant than cutting low frequencies, because the hum is not only the bass sound, but if you cut the bass, then it's still there, the hum, and also the crackling is better if there is the low frequencies not filtered out. And if you're right in front of the speaker, you can hear it.
Okay. And if you turn it up louder, then what happens? It will...
Then it starts feedbacking.
Okay. At what kind of level?
-10, yeah. But on a channel itself, the gain is pretty high, and the fader is also on top.
Mid range needs to be more. Yeah, this sounds more like in the car.
But the plastic is definitely working. It's better than just the piezo discs. But it's really like if you're here in the room, there's a lot of echo and other people, and you have to go directly in front of the speakers. Then you can hear the crackling. So if I'm distant, like if I go like 5 to 10 meters away, there's still it's audible, the hum, but not the crackling. Tricky, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just thinking in terms of test performance.
Would be to move the speakers to another room. Then we won't have these feedback issues.
Yeah, true.
Or?
But then you're not with the.
Then we are not together with the bugs. Yeah.
Yeah,
it's also not good.
No, and that doesn't make so much.
Other thing is because this one can be audio interface, so you can put everything in the software.
And the only thing, I don't know, like I'm just thinking, and the only way around is to work with like recordings of the bugs.
Yeah.
Not like live, but is so like recording them in the like the best kind of surroundings, and then like in the most kind of shielded surroundings.
Probably we should do anyway some recordings when it's quiet to have the signal.
Yeah, I mean, so
yeah.
Yeah.
The other thing would be everybody with headphones.
Yeah, or everybody with little radios.
Radios, little radios, probably.
But then the problem is that people like always tune them into, I don't know.
Something else, and yeah.
And then you have, which maybe not, I don't know, could also be nice.
Yeah, but then that's not the bugs anymore. The bugs are.
But I was just maybe easier than having headphones, or I don't know.
So for now, okay, we try to record it later, and but now we try another microphone, huh?
Yeah. Let's try this. We tried these.
Which one?
I don't know, like I'm more interested in like the down conversion one.
Yeah. Okay.
So, but you need like a mono. There should be like a mono jack cable, like a mono mini jack.
If I open the box, then it starts feedbacking.
Which means it's working. I mean,
it's working, the insulation a bit, yeah.
okay, just get.
Should we close it? Can you turn it a bit down when I manipulate? Oh, it's not so loud. There is no signal from the box, just again this 60 hertz humming.
Okay, this is with the down conversion one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, strange.
It doesn't grab any bug signal. It's
okay.
Just the.
How strong is the hum?
Very strong, yeah. Even stronger than with the pieces.
Okay.
I have the impression.
Strange. And I mean,
so we should try to make it battery powered.
Yeah,
microphone.
Yeah. That's what I originally did have, but then I thought it would make more sense. I mean, can we just check that it's working fine, like outside the bugs? Because also it has
You tried it outside, huh?
Did you try it already?
Maybe because of we got the wrong channel. Because that one is mono miniature. Yeah, but no.
Yeah, but this with down converter, this is mono.
Yeah. Should we try this cable so I can really try?
Ah, yes, yes.
Because it could be the hum is just the cable, no?
Yeah.
It also has like a tuning, like this tuning knob.
On board.
Yeah, which is tuning like the down conversion frequency.
Mm-hmm. Oh yes, there's a trim pot.
Oh.
Yeah.
But this is also kind of an ultrasonic microphone with the down conversion, or?
Yeah, so it's basically like just from like a bat detector style thing. So you basically just like divide the frequency. At the low end, you would hear like an oscillation, like a high frequency, which just means
we hear a very high frequency.
Yeah, just
and,
means
when turning, then we can play with the high frequency, but the ground hum is still there.
Really? Okay, then maybe it also needs same treatment with like metal. But you're definitely getting something from it that's.
There's signal coming, yeah, but
Okay.
it's.
And at what point do you get feedback?
It doesn't sound like feedback. It's just a very high frequency.
Okay.
But it's not feedbacking.
Okay. Just something. I guess. I don't know. It's just really difficult because I can't hear. It's a bit like what's the word? I don't know.
Weird?
Like a bad metaphor. Like it's a bit like trying to make a. I don't know. Trying to paint when you're having a blindfold on.
So it's not the same pitch. The high frequencies. Well, it's not a sine wave hiss. It's
Shifting.
no, like more like triangle or rectangular. bit, not rectangular, but a little bit like triangle.
And when you
don't hear it through the microphone in my headset, huh?
I think you need to wear it to activate it. Yeah.
No, I can't hear nothing. Can't hear nothing.
It's definitely not.
Yeah. Sounds like some kind of phaser.
Yeah.
I mean, it could be feedback, I guess, but just like some kind of interference. Because the audible frequency shouldn't feed back to the ultrasonic frequency, but then there's probably like overtones or reflections or something like this. So it's. But is it possible you can make a recording for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's just really hard to know what is happening.
Oh no, it's feedbacking.
So change to the other cable. Did you see the other mini jack? This one. Could you tune it and I also record it?
Now, Martin, what's going on? Martin,
Yeah,
what's going on? So everything working?
you tell
Or-
me.
Yeah.
I've been watching your show all morning, no?
What?
There were some ghosts here.
Hi. I,
In the orange chair. No, we're having
and did
problems with feedback.
a feedback?
Live streaming is on.
You can hear it, huh? It's recorded.
Yeah.
We can listen to the file.
I can, okay. I think because it's too high frequency of my hearing,
You can, but
or for the computer.
then go to
Yeah.
session a little bit later, because
Okay.
I started with the high
Yeah,
frequency
I can
and
see it.
get down.
Yeah. Okay. When I try and slow it down, change speed. Okay.
And if you another noise, no, like.
Yeah, it sounds like it could be some kind of feedback,
Mm.
but obviously just not the same. I mean, it won't sound the same as like audible frequency feedback, but it sounds like feedback to me. I mean, I can't be, because it's very like.
But you did a down conversion again, no? Because for us,
Yes, I slowed it down. Yeah,
frequency.
yeah, yeah. So I can hear it. So it's just like I slow it down. I think 10% or something like this. But I can. Let me just look at the. I also had to amplify quite a lot because it was very quiet. And then just we look. Yeah, it's like big peak around like 8 kilohertz, which I should be able to hear, but I can't. But I think it's maybe just like the speaker on the computer. Is not so-
Device. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have lots of 8 kilohertz. So what's next?
Try the other one. Huh?
Yeah, the other one.
Yeah, yeah.
And after the other one, ultrasonic microphone.
Now, as we use the encasing, we can try it again. Yeah, the ultrasonic.
What's up?
We can try the ultrasonic mic again later.
Okay. The USB or the
No, use the one.
just the
You
straight,
send
the stereo?
And because we also got some material, some forms for isolate, so
Okay.
we can try it later.
And the position of the microphone, Martin.
He's not here.
Nice. I don't know if it's the bugs, but it sounds nice. No, feedback. Makes a different sound, much more pleasant.
Sounds like something.
Yeah. This is better.
Really?
Yeah.
Better than what?
Another question for you, Martin. Where should be the position of the microphones? Directly on the grains or in the air, or I think close as possible to the bugs.
At the moment, where do you have the microphones?
They are pretty close, 1 centimeter distance to the box.
Okay. Yeah, the only thing is because there's like a tiny hole which is letting the air into the microphone.
Okay.
So this could be a problem if the bugs go inside this. Like each of the microphone elements has like a tiny hole.
But I don't think bug can get inside.
Okay, then as close as possible to the bugs is good, I guess.
Yeah, this one sounds like from
Yeah. This one grabs a signal.
What do you hear? Real feedback.
But starts feedbacking easily.
What's that?
We should record it, I think. Because now, if we don't feedback, it's kind of more granular again, the sound. It's like more tracking. So.
But on the headphones or on the speaker?
Let me hear on the speaker. Both.
Mm-hmm.
Headphones.
Can you make another recording?
Yes.
Thank you.
On the way.
Thank you. Oh, wait.
That sounds interesting.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's not what I expected. But
More interesting than the other one, definitely.
really strange.
Yeah. Because it has variation.
Mm-hmm. Always good. I don't know. No variations.
Yeah, it's really more like a crackling sound again.
Mm-hmm.
Not just this.
Me.
But you will hear it in 3 minutes.
But this one is stereo.
It's stereo.
Yeah. You hear it?
it's good.
Stereo. Stereo.
I'll wait for your opinion, but I think we have a second signal source next to the piezo thing I built.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the.
I just upload.
Okay. Same place or?
Same place, yeah.
Yeah, if you see them crawling, and I think it's connected.
1845. Okay. Just waiting. Download.
We need something a little bit if you touching circuits, and they are also kind of touching circuits.
1845.
So also that the environment sound. Because I can hear it. They are
Speaking.
for feedback and thinking, we could probably all do it in software.
We have to try. Feedbacking will not be a pleasure for the audience. Fast.
Yeah, it sounds strange.
You hear it?
Yeah, it's strange though.
Strange but interesting.
Yeah, and there's definitely variation, which is. And I have to kind of amplify a bit. Let's just see.
And it sounds different to the piezos, the texture.
Yeah, yeah. But it's not what I expected. I mean, that's the thing. But
I didn't know what to expect.
no, I expected more like quieter, or I don't know. It's strange. But then both. Something is strange though. I'm just wondering because the left and the right are exactly the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's a stereo cable.
I mean, exactly the same. But the recording is definitely both channels, so
Okay, sorry. Yes, same channel. No, I need to separate them.
You have a splitter? So there's one more piece. That seems check.
Here we've got, but this cable is not
Long enough, right?
But actually, we don't need too many. Mini
Should we get one? I have an additional long one.
You do have long one, yeah. Sure. separately.
Also looks the same, or?
Yes. Now it's stereo.
Okay. So last one was what happened with the last one?
Yeah, but we can try.
Good. Right.
So the really this is like but yeah, I guess we still need to. Yeah, but to be honest, this one is stereo.
Lined up. Should be.
Seven, eight. Okay, I just upload the other one. Can you check?
Okay. But which one is this one that you upload now? Which one are you uploading now?
The one with the stereo file.
Okay.
The same folder, yeah.
No, it's stereo.
Okay. But why? What was the reason it wasn't stereo? It was just a cable or?
Yeah, it's
Or the
not
mixer.
cable.
Anyway,
It's like
that's fine.
I have to connect to line.
Okay.
So
Can I wait for the upload? That's good.
just canvas. Yeah, but I think
With headphones, it's good. Yeah. Not with the speaker recorded. We can play it louder with the speakers without feedback.
So this one, yes, here you can also put
Yeah, because it's microphone, another microphone. So we also should record it, but without speaking and in a quiet environment.
in the morning it's like
More best would be maybe in the end of the day when everybody leaves. So 10 o'clock it's closed, I think, or 9 o'clock, I don't know.
oh, we can let them, we can just tell the security guard they can open. Just inform them before we open.
Yeah, this is a thing we definitely should do. Some recordings in a quiet environment because the signal is often not bad.
And then for display, maybe get the headset for audience. Smoke cigarette.
So let's go.
Very small.
Not only us, we pretend to be very smart, but sometimes more.
Very small. flying.
Flying because the wings they make this ultrasonic sound. It's not necessary to be very big. So,
What should we do now? Hello. Can you hear us, Martin?
Not so well.
Oh, okay. You can hear.
Quiet.
Yeah. So what should we do? And we just thinking maybe for the microphone we can build like a container, the other container, and the proper field, and we use like a Raspberry Pi, put it inside, and with camera, so audience still can see it, but probably will like
Yeah, that sounds okay.
better sound.
Yeah.
But to put this box on this distant space, very quiet space, because there is a lot of buildings and places without people.
Yeah.
The camera, it's still, we can visualize them, show them, and there is no feedback and no interference of people talking. And
Yeah, that sounds good.
And do like just stream the audio and video signal.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, this direct real-time thing, we cannot turn the speakers so loud. We have to feedback. So
yeah, it just becomes like frustrating, I think, for the audience. If they can't hear, then it's just like.
Because if you really have to be in front of the speaker, anyway, then you can also give them a headphone.
Okay.
But with kind of social bug distancing.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah.
Because you posted some papers on HackMD, or you on not HackMD, but on the cloud.
Yeah.
Cloud. I did not read totally, but this is all the time not real time.
Yeah. Well, everything is soundproof anyway. I mean, even if it's not real time, it's soundproof and not real time. Yeah, it doesn't make. I mean,
a lot of
editing. Yeah. I mean, the thing is that obviously it's more about measurement for the scientists. So it's less about. I mean, you would never have like a monitor speaker in the same.
No.
It's like, I don't know. But for the performance, it's also possible to use like the board line just to visualize with the like on the first day when we had like the USB microphone with the board line software, and you have this nice spectrum. Could also be nice to have.
This is also
Yeah, just to get more visual variation. Okay.
that's
Great.
our conclusion for the moment.
Yeah, well, that's fine, I think. Oh, it's good. But what's the schedule for tomorrow? You have full day or?
Tomorrow is Rice Academy Day, and there will be this Master Yao from the Agricultural National Institute speaking, then us speaking. I don't have the schedule in mind, but Julie posted it. So there is it's starting from I think 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The engineers from Datung University who did the construction of the containers. They will speak. They have a slot, and this bug specialist has a slot. We have a slot. Then there's food time, and after from 9 to 10, I think is this called performance thing.
No, I'm just wondering how much time you have to prepare for the performance if you're like the whole day in the Rice Academy.
I think we also should be at least partially present. Or it would interest me also to hear a bit of because this bug specialist is really. I was pretty impressed by this national. We had this excursion on Monday, and this is a really strange and really knowledge-full guy. So I would be interested to listen at least to his talk. Then when we have to talk, of course, we also don't have time, and I have to cook for the evening also, mushroom thing. So it's quite a lot of things to do. But one thing I want to do is I don't know if we do it today or tomorrow to do some more recordings of the signals we have without public interference.
Did you upload the last one?
The panel will be until 5 p.m. tomorrow.
What's that?
So it's like we can start to prepare from 5 p.m. tonight.
Okay.
And before 2 p.m. we can prepare for performance as well.
Okay. And what time is 5 p.m. here? I'm trying to think.
5 minus 7 is
10 a.m.
It's 10 a.m.
Yeah. But then I have like presentation, I think at 8:15 my time. So
from
like
7 till 9 there is dinner time. 8:30.
30 past 8. Yeah, 8:30.
So 1.5 hours dinner time.
So we have from like 5 until 7 more or less.
Yeah.
Let's say.
Yeah.
And the thing better to mention it is the performance is like an hour. So it's a 1 hour performance. Yeah, this is the most difficult part.
That's the difficult part.
Okay. Yeah. What time is it now?
No, it's 7:30, I think. Something like that. Here.
Yeah. Yeah, an hour is.
So do you have a space where you can set it up in mind, or like the remote space?
You mean yes,
the box, the isolated
Yeah.
box.
Yeah. Okay.
We have to ask where it's the best possibility, but it's such a huge space.
there is a building full empty, only more like a storage space. It's quiet. Normally only
We have Wi-Fi there.
Yeah. Also one.
So then you would stream both video and audio from there, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
And how long does it take to prepare it?
Yeah.
Live stream is on.
So, yeah, it's possible.
No, so for me, yeah. So if it's too complicated, then we'll let it. I was thinking in the theme of the opera, and so we have to bring more signals in, no?
Yeah.
More different signals, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the question is how to get your stream back into, I don't know, it gets confusing, no? Like how your stream comes back into the mix, like...
I can pick up it on Jitsi, yeah, and stream it to YouTube.
Okay.
With modifications.
Yeah, and I just do the inner routing to separate.
What?
Yeah. No, we can do that like we stream sound to you, like by GC. Then
Yeah.
and you do it on YouTube, and we grab it and like play it here and show it here in real time. Yeah. Right? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, as much as we can get, the better, right? Like with video, Portland, and the noises we have, some recordings, and the stream.
Yeah. So that means we better record something later, right? Okay. So we will also going to record some audio later.
Okay.
When it's quiet here.
Yeah. Yeah, you can also upload so I can have a look, or maybe also do something with the recorded audio, no? From my side. Look at the latest. Wait.
It's nice, yeah. I can take this, yeah.
You will get better recordings because
Okay.
some of them you can still hear voices in the background talking. But there's already so we
don't do it live and so, yeah. We do it with a file, yeah. It's also possible, yeah.
Yeah, it's even better because some live things is not possible without feedbacking. So we have one box not here in the room where there is a webcam and these microphones and everything isolated. It's just by a Raspberry Pi to stream it to here. Yeah. Because if it's in the same room, the box and the microphone, some of the microphones, we cannot turn the volume on if it's real time. So we also have to work with recordings. And you will get it. We will upload some recordings. In some hours, because now it's still busy here.
Okay.
How long should be the recordings? Like 5 minutes or,
Yeah.
or 10 minutes?
Yeah, it doesn't need to be so long. Just like 4 or 5 minutes is fine.
Yeah.
Then we have to loop it, or?
Well, the recordings, yes.
Okay.
And the box which is in the storage room, this is live with the latency of Wi-Fi, but this doesn't matter.
Okay.
So we have recorded sounds, live sounds, images, and
And when is the show? When is the show?
From 9 to 10. So
Today?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. 9 to 10 your time.
Your time from 2 o'clock in the afternoon until 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
Quite tight. That's really exciting. Yeah. But still having fun on our side. So.
Yeah. I guess won't be too many people. Yeah,
Okay.
no, maybe it would be a lot of people.
This we don't know. How
In
many?
Stadtwerkstatt is a meal, yeah, prepared, yeah, at 1, yeah. So, yeah.
Be ready. It's 2.
Okay. That's quickly. Or I eat later. So, yeah. Okay. I will help you. And
Cool. Yeah. As soon as possible, we upload some recording.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
and there's no way to do it live. So, yeah.
And we can do processing live, no? Of the
Processing, yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's boring with files, yeah.
We don't do it only with files. There is a live stream of audio signal, but this audio signal is the source is not here in the same room. It's somewhere distant, so we don't have this feedback issue with the microphones. There is a live part. The picture is live, boardline, and the webcam is live, and some signals, audio signals are live. But the live audio signals, the source is not in the room where there is the presentation. The box with the bugs and the live audio signal is not visible from here. It's in a quiet place without people.
Mm-hmm.
But there is also live audio signal. One piezo and one the ultrasonic microphone. And probably
Okay.
the microphone is just for boardline, not so much for audio signal.
Have a look to my DJ patches what I can use. Yeah? What's useful, so, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So they even bring us the right products for coding. There's no signals, right? It's just some lubricant, but signals for it better.
So I guess it's for today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we will upload
Yeah, the same place.
yeah, and
Yeah.
also maybe update like something like the streaming pi and some other information
Yeah. Okay.
in the group chat.
Yeah. Okay. I go and eat now. So.
Yeah, me too. And,
Yeah.
So see you later. Whatever. Okay. Ciao, ciao.
okay.
Ciao.
Ciao.
See you.
See you. 对。